Good day. Let's talk about PowerG Plus. Very exciting times. So we had PowerG and it's amazing, but now we've made it even better. PowerG Plus, brand new image sensor camera, mounted inside, has a high resolution camera on. Brand new glass break, PowerG Plus. Very, very thin profile door contact with the magnet the same size as the contact. So aesthetically, it looks great on a window or a door. Regular door contact, of course, with the screw terminals on the bottom. Brand new motion detector, PowerG Plus. Heat detector and smoke detector. New form fitting, has a silence button built into it. You might ask why PowerG Plus? Well, we've made it easier for the installer. There's pull tabs built in. Easily quick pull this out, install the product. QR codes, so you don't even need to open the product. You scan the QR code, learn it into the panel with our brand new installer app called IQ Installer. Also have dealer lockdown built in and automatic battery level indication on the panel and on alarm.com. Tells you the exact battery level on each device. PowerG Plus. Canada has never had a PowerG Heat Detector. We now have that available. It's exciting times here. PowerG Plus, this is just the start. We're gonna have PowerG everywhere. Not PowerG everywhere, PowerG Plus everywhere. We're excited. Stay tuned.